Hi, I'm Rochelle from Luggage Base, and this big guy is the Expanse 32-inch drop bottom wheel duffel by Eagle Creek. And it's really heavy duty and really unique because it's a combination of suitcase and duffel, which I'm sure you're going to love. Let's take a look at what makes this bag a drop bottom bag. The top is its own compartment that looks like a traditional duffel. And as you can see, it's really spacious for all your gear. But on top of that, you also have a bottom compartment which acts more like a suitcase. It's flat, and it also has compression straps to keep everything flat and loaded nicely. And you can even access the top compartment that acts like a duffel via these top straps. Now, if you just want everything in one big compartment and don't want them to separate your items, you simply roll this center flap and attach the loops around it. And voila, you have a huge compartment for all your gear. This bag's really great because unlike most duffels, it has a lot of carrying options. The first is the top bailed handle here, which is snapped. And it's also super padded, so it's comfortable to carry. You also have grab handles here on the sides, as well as your telescoping handle and smooth rolling wheels that are treaded to go over any terrain and housed in sturdy housing for extra durability. For stowing your items, you have two pockets here on the outside that are really spacious and run down the side of the bag. And these would be great for stashing your shoes or any extra gear that you might need quick access to. For items that are bulky or don't quite fit into the bag, you have lash points on the outside, which are also great for using to attach the bag to the top of your car. All of the items in Eagle Creek's Expanse series feature number 10 self-repairing zippers with easy grab zipper pulls and central lock point, strong moisture wicking and abrasion resistant poly ripstop fabric, and an unbeatable lifetime plus damage warranty. They also feature reflective accents for dusk and nighttime travel safety, as well as discreet ID tag pockets for easy identification. Expand your horizons with this versatile Expanse collection from Eagle Creek. Come check it out with us here at Luggage Base.